What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be swapping the fuel injectors in my W204 C63. Now with these motors, the M156, it is very common for the fuel injectors to get stuck open and then you're gonna have a hydrolocked engine. So in order to prevent that, I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the fuel injectors as preventative maintenance. And I'm also gonna be doing the coils, and I'm also gonna be doing the spark plugs, but that is gonna be in another video since I do not have them right now. And another thing I'm gonna be doing, so you guys can look up for this video, but this probably won't be for a few months, I am also gonna be doing the brakes. I don't know what rotors I want to do or pads yet. I was thinking of leaning towards the Brembo route, but we'll see what happens. But going back to the fuel injectors, this car is closing in on 60,000 miles, so I do want to do this because there has been some people that have had the issue with the stuck injectors. So I just want to get that out of the way before I do anything else. And if you are looking for the fuel injectors, they're not too expensive. I picked them up on FCP Euro. I think I paid like $270 for all 8 of them, so not a bad price. But if you are looking to get the fuel injectors, I will leave a link in the description below so you can go pick those up. So I believe with this engine, the injectors are not really difficult to get to. All you got to do is take off these air boxes, and I also believe that that thing has to come off. I'll find out shortly, but yeah, let me go get some tools and start taking some stuff apart. Alright, so now that we got those intakes off, there's some foam right here that we can just pop out. And here are the fuel rails. Really easy to get to, not that difficult. We may have to take this thing off, and I think it's just held in by some clamps.
Alright, Evan, finally figured out how to get that thing off. There's a little clamp behind there.
There, right here, there's two. There's one on each side, and they're just plastic little clamps that hold it into place. There's a little vacuum line attached to it as well. We just need enough clearance so we can unplug the injectors.
Let me show you what the fuel injector looks like with it out. So there's a sensor that plugs into each one, and that Evan's popping out now.
So now that we got all the injectors unplugged, I'm gonna go one by one and install the new ones.
There's a new one there. There you go.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and put these zip ties back in.
What the hell is he doing? Is he cutting down a tree? It's freaking dark as hell out. Who'd come down a tree?
And that concludes the fuel injector swap. It took me about 2 hours. I got home at 5 o'clock and then it's a little after 7 now. So not too bad. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you do smash that like button and subscribe if you're new and ring that bell for notifications. Make sure you do keep an eye out because I do want to do a lot more content with this car. I have a bunch of videos planned. So like I said, be sure to keep an eye out. But yeah, that will do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.